In today's video, we are going to be talking about Warren Buffett. I'm surprised that no one is talking about Warren Buffett. Nobody's talking about how Warren Buffett is selling his bank stocks. Goldman Sachs, Warren Buffett, Berkshire Hathaway sells majority stakes in Goldman Sachs. That's basically a bank stock. I'm not going to put Goldman Sachs specifically in this video, but he's selling bank stocks. He's selling Amazon, and those are the two names I'm probably going to use. But Warren Buffett sold off 84% of its stake in Goldman Sachs during the first quarter, according to regulatory filings. And according to my research, Warren Buffett says he doesn't trim positions. He either gets rid of them, or he buys them. He buys more of them, and right now he's getting rid of it. 84%. It might be 100% when he announces the next earnings. We don't truly know how much he will sell, simply because once you go below a certain amount, Warren Buffett doesn't have to announce him selling. That's why when he had his investor meeting and everybody finds out that he sold all his airline stocks, but he sold it months ago before he announced it at his shareholder meeting. So the next shareholder meeting, he could be announcing a ton of stocks that he sold. He's gathering cash like no tomorrow. He wants to be in a huge cash position because he thinks that the stock market is going to crash, and he wants to capitalize on that opportunity. So that's why he's pulling out positions, liquidating, and making sure his cash position is huge. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you dislike it, you can also give me a thumbs down. Or if you hate me, give me a thumbs down. Anyways, moving forward. So Warren Buffett, Berkshire Hathaway. This is another article saying that Berkshire Hathaway also trimmed its stake in Amazon, JP Morgan, Cyrus, XM, and other companies. So, yeah, that's not looking too good. That he's selling solid companies. JP Morgan, which is a solid company. Amazon, which is a solid company. Cyrus, XM, I have no idea what it is, but it's a $23 billion company at the moment. So, obviously, he's selling like no tomorrow. So, this is not a good sign. So Goldman Sachs, let's look at Goldman Sachs right now. Goldman Sachs actually looks like a good short, but it might, who knows at the end of the day what's going to happen, but it does look like a good short right now. But I don't know. It's a gamble. And I bet you anything on Monday, Goldman Sachs is going down further. Could be wrong, but Goldman Sachs, the bottom for Goldman Sachs was $134.97. And if you scan the entire stock market, all the other bank stocks are near 52-week low, and Goldman Sachs still has a significant room to move to the downside. This is not financial advice. This is just my opinion that I think it could be a good short right now. Just my opinion. We'll see what happens. Again, not financial advice. Do your own due diligence. Do whatever you want. Don't listen to me. I will lose 1,000% of your money. I don't know how it's 1,000% of your money, but it sounds cool, so I'm going to say 1,000% of your money. So don't listen to me, or you will go into deficit with 1,000% of your money. I'm just kidding. But don't listen to me. Absolutely don't listen to me. This is pure financial entertainment purposes. If you find it entertaining and if you find it informative, great. But if you don't, why are you here? Why are you listening to my video if you don't think it's useful in any way? Unless you find it entertaining, which, okay, great. But anyways, moving forward. So Amazon, Amazon could be a good short too. It's bound for a big move because the Bollinger Band is tightening. So Amazon is bound for a big move. It's either going to keep going up and skyrocket, or it's going to drop like a rock in the near future here. But Amazon is a solid company. They are benefiting big time from this virus situation that we're in. and I don't know. It's really hard to say that, oh, go ahead and short Amazon. No, 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 no. Not Amazon. Amazon is a solid company regardless. I think the biggest reason why Warren Buffett sold off Amazon, or some of his Amazon stake, is because he wants to be in a more cash position, and Amazon doesn't pay a dividend, so he's cashing in his profits. That's my opinion anyways, so I don't know. I think, rich people could bail out of this stock anytime, and like rich people move this stock. Not normal retail investors, super rich people. Every dollar the stock moves is like a lot of money. Let's just look. $500 million every single dollar this thing moves up or down. So $20 is like a lot of money. $20 is like a lot, like $2 billion or something like that. So Amazon can move very rapidly. Big money is trading that. JP Morgan Chase. This is near 52-week low. JP Morgan is a very solid bank. I think it's one of the best banks. According to Greg Manarino, they basically control the stock market. So, and the fact that it's already near 52-week low, I would not short it, but that's just my opinion. It could go down lower, absolutely. Bank stocks trade with each other. Series XM Holding Incorporation. I have no idea what this company does, but Warren Buffett bought it and he sold some of his stocks. It's valued at $23.38 billion. Its height was $7.24. They pay a 5-cent dividends. So that's not very much. Probably a good idea to get rid of it. I don't know where it's going to go in the future, but he sold it. It's probably going to go down further. Oil right now, oil prices at $29.43. Oil, I don't know, but feels like oil could be a good short soon, very soon here. I don't know at the end of the day, not financial advice, but it's been running up quite a bit lately, and I think it's bound for a correction very soon here. But again, my opinion. Right now, as we are talking, or as I'm making this video, the market is like sideways action, I guess. Holy crud! Why is it taking so long to load? Yeah, basically sideways action, not really moving too much. Oil is up $30. Wow, okay, that's awesome. VIX is down $2.21. Not too much to say about that. Our currency to the US sucks. We're at 141. So, yep, horrible. Powell says that full economy recovery may not happen without a vaccine. No duh. We need a vaccine before people can do regular stuff like travel and, go out and party and spend money like there's no tomorrow. That's the only way. Vaccine. Obviously. Wow. That's very intelligent. I gotta clap my hands for that. But anyways, moving forward. So I'm gonna talk about our cartoon president. It's a very boring show, but I did find I'm forcing myself to watch it. Why am I forcing myself to watch such a boring show? Because Donald Trump is a very interesting person and I want to learn more about him. So in the future, if anybody ever talks to me about Donald Trump, I have information that I can share. But anyways, so in the video, Trump was making fun of Mike Pence about how poor he was. And so I researched it up. Mike Pence is poor. Trump reportedly thought Mike Pence was embarrassingly poor. December 5th, 2017. But there's an article here say how Mike Pence became a millionaire from the government, July 18, 2019. So yeah, he's getting a decent amount of money from working in the government, but he wasn't born as a rich person, so the working for the government made him slightly rich. But according to Donald Trump, according to the video that I've been watching, the rich are rich, the poor are poor, the middle class are poor. That's what he says. So obviously Mike Pence would be the middle class, and Donald Trump would consider him poor. And then the other thing I find out is Trump likes fast food. He likes KFC, and they were making fun of that in the show quite a bit, about how he likes KFC. You know, here's some articles. So Donald Trump Donald Trump get marked for eating KFC with a knife and fork. Donald Trump's unhealthy diet includes McDonald's and KFC. So yeah, not too much to say about that, but anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.